Hello everyone, welcome back to the severe weather coverage for, well actually, I'm just starting the weather coverage right now. Did I already make the Twitter account? Yeah I did. Alright. Okay. So now, where are we going to be focusing today? Either in Missouri or Florida. But I don't know what to pick. So, I'm going to let something choose for me. Because it's a hard decision for me to make because there's lots of difference from one or two of these states. It's a hard decision I should make. So I'm just gonna do Missouri. Oops. No. Missouri or Florida. Right, spin. Alright, let's see here. Right, I don't know who won. Missouri. I won near Missouri. Let's view this. Oh, this is even a tornado possible, and the damage to the considerable. Wow. But what about... Man, it's not even tornado possible. Whoa. Okay, radar. It's radar, right? There's not radar. This is radar, right? Yeah. I'll probably do this one. Does this have the tornado text for it? Nope, it just says tornado possible. Let's go ahead and take a look at the velocity. I'm going to say we have the slightest rotation out of them all. But we're going to stick with the reflectivity for now. I mean, about right here is a different cell, but I'm pretty sure that the cell that caused this was this with the bigger hail core. And it is affecting like the center part of Greenville. If you are in Greenville, Missouri, if you do not have rain, then you're probably not even in the right city. If you're in Greenville, Missouri at 5 p.m. and if there's no rain, I don't know what to tell you then. And also, I'm glad I didn't pick Florida, because I would have to change my time hour ahead. Well, even though this is expiring in 1 minute, I'm still gonna pay attention to that, just in case another one gets issued until it goes to marine warnings. I don't pay attention to marine warnings unless there's a confirmed waterspout, which I'd be saying tornado. So this storm, let's see how this goes. So it started developing on a line. It looks like it could become a line, but I'm not sure. So it started doing this. It just did like whoa, 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 and then it'll probably just continue. Let's look back at the other storm. The storm right here. Here's outside. It's just like the other storm. If these two emerge, like these two emerge, this could become a supercell possibly, and even produce a tornado. Now, Zoma, you are getting on the action very, very soon here. You just have to not worry. Otherwise, if you worry and you panic, it's not going to make the situation better. I still do have these allergies stuff. Just as long as my recorder doesn't go crazy, I will be fine. So looks fine. So it looks like that they're not going to issue a new severe thunderstorm warning in Florida. Also, there's nothing else for Florida. It's just nope, possible, only possible. I know I just said drawing on. Did they update this? No, they didn't. I thought that they did. Moving east at 15 miles an hour. Now, what I tell you about the hail, golf ball, and also 70-mile-an-hour winds. You know, it's 7 miles an hour. So let's look at the velocity, and then this. Okay, just south of this, we do have a big gust of around 40 miles an hour. Especially with the other part. This is outside the severe thunderstorm warning. A report of 40 miles an hour also. Otherwise, we just have the other wind direction going at about, it's like calm. Otherwise, there is nothing to worry about. Only thing that you have to worry about here is hail and rotation, and possibly gusts. Way to do that. Let's see how long that this is. Yeah, that's not helping. Let's see how long this rotation thing is like. Almost 3 miles. Wow. 3 miles of heavy winds. I didn't have anything like that before. I don't mention August 9th when I was directly in an enhanced risk. I don't care about the likes on the video. I just care about comments on a video. Most people care about, oh, get this video up to like 1,000, 10,000 likes. I don't care for the likes. I just want either subscribers, views, or comments. This thing does expire in like a half an hour. Let me see my next schedule for tomorrow. It'll be for like the central and northern part of Kentucky, I'm pretty sure. I forgot. Let's see. Right. Says I'm on for 5:30 to 5:50. I'm only on 20 minutes. 5:30 to 5:50. I'm only on for 20 minutes. So, yeah. I'm gonna go back to this. I think that they made an update. Yeah, they did. They made an update 2 minutes ago. And, hail is gonna just continue. No matter what, the hail will not stop. That's what I'm getting. Around 60 dBz. Oh, new update. 58 dBz. I was in that same location. It's like the hail is lighting up a little, but not that much. Hail's not lighting up that much, only a little every update. And guys, yeah, yes, I did go to a doctor's office. Not only do I have allergies, now I have sore throat from probably post-nasal drip. But I am not a doctor, so I don't really know anything about this. I am trying to become a meteorologist. Hopefully spreading this video to other people, even though I'm not allowed to do live streams yet. I'll probably only do them when I'm like 13 and older, maybe 18 and older, if I'm still into weather, which I probably will be. Because this looks cool. Still no. Oh yeah, there's an update. Oh my god, I didn't see that. Till 5:30. Looks like none of this hail size has changed, but I think that they did. Still tornado possible. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Okay, about every video I make, Casey is always going to bark no matter what. I mean, it's not like I run a lab. I mean, I'm literally here just drinking milk. Yes, I am. Oh, wow, whoa, that is unexpected. That is unexpected. Tornado warning in Missouri. Wow, 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 and wow. Radar indicated tornado. Until 5:30. At 5:04, severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located between Williamsville and Greenville, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lake Wapololo State Park, Shook, and I am not saying that name again. Nope. Let's see they just got an update. I don't know if they got an update on velocity yet. I think that they did. No, probably not. It's already 5:07, I mean. Oh, I see that. That is big rotation. I mean, look at this. Look at that big rotation. Oh, yeah, that is rotation. 100%. if the green particles meet the red particles with a high gust, that equals rotation. And as we got right here, we have a gust of 76 miles an hour going into about a 30 mile an hour gust, 45 miles an hour. This storm is severe, and I'm going to say this will produce a tornado. But I am not 100% certain. But it is likely to produce a tornado according to my calculations right here. It says tornado possible, and this could actually produce a tornado, but I am not so sure. And I bet that I didn't check, but I'm pretty sure that this is moving east at 15. Yep, that was correct. And tornado warning east at 15. And oh, look at that. Severe thunderstorm warning east at 15, golf ball size hail. And I'm pretty sure if this was a severe thunderstorm warning, it'd be saying golf ball size hail and 70 mile an hour wind gusts. It's for Wayne County, while the severe thunderstorm warning is for Bellinger, I don't know how to say that, Stoddard, and Wayne, while the tornado warning is just for Wayne. And also, I do not know, what is this? It just looks like a big gust of wind, even though it's like 2 miles an hour, 7 miles. My gosh. Wow, guys, I have not, in any of my streams, I do not think that I was covering a tornado warning. But I don't think I've ever covered a tornado warning just magically appear. I am impressed in the right way. What even is my schedule for today? What even is my schedule for today? Let me see. p.m. Oh no, 4:55 to 5:15. What is the time right now? It's 5:11, so I have a few minutes left. Williamsville. Wow, that is it even in? Yeah, it is definitely in there. Though it may not look like it's in there, it is for sure. I know today, I was not here. I am doing a short video, but it has to happen. I mean, it's my schedule. I can't already just afford me doing the stuff. I can't just afford myself just doing this. But we do have some showers right below that tornado warning. Probably gonna be dark blue skies ahead of you north. And if it isn't, I don't know how to describe where you are right now. I mean, when I look out my area right now, I see clouds and sunshine.
What is that?
Be right back. I see something on my window. I see something on my window. Be right back. Newsman has never seen something on their window. So, I just checked. There's nothing. It's just a filter thing that I found. For my vacuum. I don't pay attention to stuff. I will sadly not be here for if anything else happens. But, boss, there is a replacement, right, today?
Oh no, we're short-staffed today. You're our go-to guy.
Oh, yeah, but my schedule's at 5:15. I have to leave at 5:15 for my paperwork that I have today.
Yeah, and then if you have time to do another live update, you'd be able to hop back on.
Well, I mean, I can't do any live streams because I'm not even 13. I am, something else. But, oh, I have to leave in a minute to
Okay.
do my paperwork. Alright, guys, that's gonna be all for today. Man, that other storm is developing a good hail core right there. Surprised I don't issue another severe thunderstorm warning. Funny if I even catch that right now before I have to leave. Alright, guys. I'll see you probably the next weather day that's actually severe. And I am no longer doing live streams or recordings for a slight risk only. Enhanced or higher. Enhanced or higher. Never doing a slight risk recording again. Because that one time I recorded for an hour straight. Can't believe I had that scheduled. Something, and then it showed I had another whole hour. Wow, that was amazing. Alright. Bye, guys. Bye.